The Schematic Viewer and the Feeder Schedule Import feature allow you to map feeder schedule columns in an Excel document to Revit parameters for use in imports and exports from the Revit model. Part of this process ensures system designs align with project requirements, as well as allows a QA/QC operation in accordance with that engineering design. What we see on the right here is a simplified single-line drawing that's derived from that feeder schedule. This tells us equipment that we need to connect to, whether or not that equipment is in the model, and when those connections have been reconciled with the feeder schedule. As we build out this system, we will see that the schematic viewer tells us what run IDs need to be populated in these conduits. We can start by initially applying a value. These don't yet match the values from our feeder schedule, but we are going to fill them in here. What you will notice is that as we applied a feeder ID, it was used as a lookup value from the feeder schedule that then imported additional property data like from, to, material, and wire data into the conduit runs that will be used later. You can also see that those connections have been reconciled in our schematic viewer. They show not only that these are connected, but the conduit lengths and the circuit lengths, which derives a length from the conduit as well as a wire makeup value at each connection point. This also tells the overall change in bend angle as we propagate through those runs. Now we are going to go fill in the rest of this system. What we can see is that the schematic reconciles our model design against our engineering design intent, showing us a 100% completion status as we complete that final conduit connection. We can also see that our conduit run schedule has been fully populated with all the relevant data.